Mr. Bachchan is one of the greatest actors that we have ever seen, and I don't think there's anybody who can sort of symbolize India better than him.
उनके बारे में बहुत कुछ कह चुका हूँ. उनके बारे में जितना कहो उतना कम है. और हमारे देश के लिए, भारत देश के लिए, भारतवर्ष के लिए उनसे बड़ा प्रतिनिधि देश के भीतर और देश के बाहर मुझे नहीं लगता और कोई होगा. तो ये जिम्मेदारी, ये उत्तरदायित्व उन्हें दिया गया है. खुशी है मुझे इस बात की, और अगर मुझे अवसर मिला कि इस कार्य में उनकी मैं सहायता करूं किसी भी प्रकार से, तो मेरा सम्मान होगा.
He's an iconic man, so he could fit into anything, and he would do justice to anything. So I think it's great, and good luck, Mr. Bachchan.
जी देखिए, बच्चन साहब हमारे लिए आइकन हैं, और वो आज हम शायद हर कोई उनको एक आइकन की तरह देखता है, और उनको एम्बेसडर होना, आई थिंक जो वो बोलते हैं उसका बहुत इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है. तो जब वो बोलेंगे, लोगों से बात करेंगे, और जो भी वो बोलेंगे शायद लोग बहुत उसे सीरियसली लेंगे. सो ये बहुत अच्छा पॉजिटिव पॉइंट है.
I think it's great. I think Mr. Bachchan, I think he's a legend, and myself, I think I've grown up watching him, and he as it is represent India everywhere, and I think it's a great initiative. I think it's a great start.
Yeah, the world is great. There's no one as better as him, and as smart as him to be nominated for that. Yes.
I just wish him all the best. Whatever he does with so much grace. It's a huge responsibility, and I don't think anybody else could be appointed.
मैं क्या बोलूँ? I'm such a huge fan of his. उनको he has been nominated for so many things. अभी Incredible India, anything is expected out of Mr. Bachchan. He's the icon that we have, and I don't think we can ever have again the way he is an iconic person. So of course it's understood. Who else will be?
You know, Amitabh Bachchan is a name which we, when we were young, used to pronounce it as Meeta Bachchan. When we couldn't even say Amitabh Bachchan, we knew Amitabh Bachchan. So he is the perfect brand ambassador for all things Indian. Hardworking, talented, dedicated, and extremely professional. I think he is what India wants to be. So it's a perfect fit.
I think there's nobody else could have taken that position. I think that's Bachchan Saab's place there. Absolutely.
यार आई थिंक उनसे बढ़िया कौन हो सकता है, और आई थिंक बड़ी खुशी की बात है, और बच्चन साहब हैं तो मज़ा आ जाएगा. और क्या.
Well, I think it's beautiful and it's great to have Amitabh Bachchan sir, because I truly feel that he is really like an icon. I really feel that he should really represent India, and he's just amazing. Like whenever I go abroad, like to Sweden, for example, where we have Incredible India there also. So I always talk about Amitabh Bachchan sir, his humbleness, his all his story, unki sab pictures jo hai. So it's like it's really really great.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.